Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting into time mode. Press mode until the main time shows. This puts the watch into the correct register. Once there, make sure Adjust is free. You will use it to enter the settings screen. If buttons stick, clean or dry them now because you cannot change formats with a stuck key. This step ensures you're editing the master time, not an alarm or timer, which is why we enter time mode first before changing 24/12-hour display. Once in the settings menu, hold Adjust until the seconds or a field flashes. This confirms editable mode. Then press Mode or the designated cycle button to move fields until the 12/24-hour indicator is selected. Watches differ, so count fields if needed. Now press Forward or the button labeled Start/Stop to toggle between 24-hour and 12-hour formats. You'll see hours change presentation. Make sure to move Delete. To finalize, press Adjust once to save and exit. The watch returns to time mode showing the new format. Check that AM or PM appears for 12-hour mode, or that hours run 1323 for 24-hour. This confirms success. If the change does not stick, retry the steps and ensure you're in the main time, not an alarm. Troubleshooting tip: if it still fails, perform a soft reset or reset the battery briefly. This fixes firmware hiccups without data loss in most Casio models.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.